Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Enlighten. In this video we'll have certain questions on research aptitude. So can we go through with that? So let's take up with the first question now. This is the first question. An example of scientific knowledge is option A, authority of the prophet or great man. Option B, social traditions and customs. Option C, religious scriptures. Option D, laboratory and field experiments. And you will get 10 seconds. Think on this. Okay, can we go through with the answer now? Answer is option D, that is laboratory and field experiments are regarded as the scientific knowledge. Through the practical experiments, how we are going to do, based on that we will be going to get certain knowledge about the knowledge as practically. Okay, the practical knowledge is more effective than the theoretical knowledge. Okay, so we can go through with the second question. Second question is, generalized conclusion on the basis of a sample is technically known as option A, statistical inference of external validity of the research. Option B, data analysis and interpretation. Option C, parameter inference. Option D, all of the above. Okay, you will get the answer now. Option A, that is generalized conclusion will be based on the statistical and inference of external validity of the research. If the validity of the research not there, then we can't generalize the conclusions. Okay, so that is why the generalized conclusion on the basis of a sample is known as the statistical or inference of external validity of the research. Okay, can we go to the third one? That is, a researcher selects only 10 members as a sample from the total population of 5,000 and considers it good because option A, he was a good researcher. Option B, he was guided by his supervisor. Option C, the population was homogeneous. D, all of these. This is somewhat technical. Think. Okay, can we go through with the answer now? That is option C. That is, the populations, if homogeneous, then the total population may be large, but the sample size, if taken as small, then it will be fits good. Okay, so if population was homogeneous, then this illustration will be going to applies. Okay. If characteristics of the population is homogeneous, a small sample may be enough for the study because it may represent the whole population easily. Okay, that is why. Say for example, in a school, those who are wear the uniforms, okay, we need not to go with all of them in order to take up the sample of uniforms. Just 5-6 members are enough to take up with the sample about the uniform. Okay, uniform color and uniform shape and all. That is what, because the uniform is homogeneous, it will be applicable those who will be going to got admission to the school. Okay, Next question. Which technique is generally followed when the population is finite? Option A, area sampling technique. Option B, purposive sampling technique. Option C, systematic sampling technique. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is option C. That is in a systematic sampling techniques we can go through with a finite number of populations. Okay. Last question. He research antagonistic to exposed factor research is option A, experimental studies. Option B, normative researchers. Option C, library researchers. Option D, all of the above. Okay, and the answer is option A, that is experimental studies. Okay, so studies opposite to exposed to factor are experimental ones where various causes are first presented and their effects due to manipulation of the single variables are seen. Okay, so these are the 5 questions on research aptitude. Hope you guys will enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, please like and give subscribe for my channel in order to get the latest updates regarding these. Okay, thank you so much.